There's a lot of activity over there. You can see the blackbirds. I think those are ravens. I'm not sure. I don't know what they're digging into the snow. There's a day after winter storm. You can see another one coming over there. They are not making any sounds. They're just walking around, digging in the snow. Looks pretty busy. There's a bird making sound, so they flew away some of them. Blackbirds. That's what it looks like out here. Let me zoom out. A lot of snow everywhere. There's a day after a winter storm in the Twin Cities, Minnesota. Now we got 3 birds